Sonrisa is something that you should always have on your face. Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is sonrisa. Sonrisa. This is a Spanish noun and it means smile. Sonrisa is a feminine noun, so you can say la sonrisa or una sonrisa. The plural form is las sonrisas or unas sonrisas. Now let's see a few examples using sonrisa. Tienes una sonrisa muy bonita. Tienes una sonrisa muy bonita. Las sonrisas de los bebés son tan tiernas. Las sonrisas de los bebés son tan tiernas. Una sonrisa puede cambiarle la vida a alguien. Una sonrisa puede cambiarle la vida a alguien. That's why it's always important to smile. Las personas amigables siempre tienen una sonrisa en su cara. Las personas amigables siempre tienen una sonrisa en su cara. ¡Qué bella sonrisa! ¡Qué bella sonrisa! Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Leave more examples down below using sonrisa. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!